Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of the application of Octa app. You will go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Octa app and you can sign it here. You will go to Octa app and you can click here. After that you will go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.